Foundation cracks freak out a lot of new homeowners, but knowing what's really going on can save you tens of thousands of dollars. So here's the deal. First off, don't panic when you spot cracks. Lots of homes settle a bit and get these sometimes. Keep an eye on the size, and if they're getting bigger or letting in water, that's when you gotta act. Call a structural engineer, not the first foundation repair company that calls you. Engineers give unbiased, professional advice, and usually cost way less than any major repair quotes you'll get. If the crack isn't actively growing or causing leaks, just monitor it with photos or a marker to check changes over time. When it's time to fix, simple crack fillers or waterproof sealants might do the trick without breaking the bank. Also, make sure you document everything from inspections to repairs so you have proof for future buyers or insurance. Finally, avoid rushing into any free quotes that sound too good to be true. They often lead to pressure sales for expensive fixes you don't need. One of the biggest mistakes people make is jumping straight to foundation repair companies without getting a structural engineer's opinion. This often leads to outrageously high quotes for unnecessary underpinning. Another common issue is ignoring small cracks completely, which can sometimes grow or allow water damage if left unchecked. Lastly, trusting salespeople who push quick fixes or expensive jobs without proper assessments can drain your wallet and cause stress. The fix? Always get a second opinion from a qualified engineer, track any changes in the cracks carefully, and do your research before signing any contract. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors without the hassle. It also helps contractors connect with real clients who need their skills, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right.